Boys, we're at the car show, eh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Can you switch this? Ho ho! The car show over there, dude. Dang.
You got the GTR, and you got the freaking Diablo right there, man. That thing's... Come over here, you got the M3. You got all the M3s over here. Can't get over this. Look at the tips on this thing, dude. Look at the tips. The tips have to be like 5 inches, dude, maybe 4.
Exhaust. As soon as that's it. I forget what the name is. Something. No. Yeah, maybe.
You got the Porsche. Dude, another GTI. The pinnacle of a hot hatchback right here, man. M2. This thing's clean. M2, dude. M2s and M3s look so similar. The Alfa Romeo.
This thing's shot.
M3, dude.
Really small inside, too. Look at the clearance on the brakes. Huh? Holy, look at the clearance on the brakes.
Holy
fuck.
Man,
there's like no
you can slide a freaking credit card in there, dude.
Wow, I like the way that looks too, though. I'd be nervous for that.
Yeah.
Look at the Urus.
Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? Dude, look at it, it's a Supra.
Look at this. Yeah.
Dude,
I love those rims.
clean. I love the... I haven't seen one with the freaking wing.
Always been doing burnouts. Look at all the rubber around it.
Yeah.
I don't care what anybody says. I like the way it looks. I like it.
Brakes on these things are huge. GT4. And you got the Urus over here, man. It's the Urus.
I thought it shot one. Did you watch the video of Street Speed jumping his?
Yeah.
Jumped it over his Lamborghini.
That's fucking crazy.
Doing it for the views. I guess it's supposed to be a really good SUV. Though.
Dude.
Yeah, dude.
Lamborghini. You got the Bentley. Bentley. Mercedes. Look at this, dude. Volvo 4-cylinder turbo.
Dude, it's probably fast.
You think the engine's built? No way. Oh, dude, look at this 350. This one's nice. Dude, he's got a pull-off steering wheel and everything.
Yeah, what happens if you don't click it in the right way and you fucking drive it?
You think this one's for drifting?
Look at that.
Or just style? Focus ST.
Oh, this is fucking fast. English.
Motune Performance.
Eco Beast. Ooh, 10 speed too.
Z01. 10 speed? What the hell do you need 10 speeds for, man? This thing, man. Again. Oh. Dude, that's sick, man. Look at these things, dude. Look at the shop, dude. This thing's sick.
Dude, that thing is awesome. Dude, look at the whole dude. Look how clean the floor is right now. Look at it.
It has to be, dude.
waiting for the man, the myth, the legend, the Colbert. Get out of the bathroom.
That dump, it looks like.
Dude, he had to flush like twice, man.
Yeah.
Dude, community bathroom, man. Look at this. We're in McLaren, dude. Thanks. Dude. See you later. Look how clean that is, man. You know what kind of McLaren that is, Colby?
6.5.
This interior is minty. Dude, look at the Alcantara in this thing, dude. Going out to watch. Dude, it's cruising, man. Squeeze in like right up here or something. Dude, I don't want to get railed by a Mustang, dude.
I do. Got insurance by it.
Dude, it's the V10, bro. 1 RS, 2 RS, 3, That thing sounded sweet.
Pretty cool. Little car. Oh, Supra.
The Supra. Cops are here.
The fake Supra.
Cops are here. Dang. Dude, we almost get hit by a car. Dude, this is some great YouTube right here, man.
I don't want to get hit, man.
Dude, then we can have a car like them, dude.
Yeah, with no legs. Careful, be careful.
Look at that. The rice is unbelievable. We got a track hog coming up. Look at this. That thing was sweet. The amount of money in cars in here is absolutely insane. Look at the seat. All carbon fiber, dude. All carbon fiber. Carbon. Yo, how dare somebody put a hammer on that? We're debating on whether or not touching one of these things. Aw, dude's touching it. How could you, man? How could you? How could you do such a thing?
Oh, good. I can't remember the interior, too.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, stop. Where's the look at that? Like I'm being weird.
Rubbing the car, dude.
He's gonna give it to all 4 wheels.
That sounded way more raspy. You got sideways.
that, dude.
What up, YouTube? Forgot to film an outro for today's video. Anyways, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and road to 10K before the summer ends. Let's get it. See you later.